Adding a work or school account to Microsoft Teams is a straightforward process. For this, go and open MS Teams on your computer. This is my personal account on Teams. To add more account, you can click on profile icon at the top. In the drop-down, click on Add another account. I want to add another official account, so I will click on Use another account. Then provide your work or school account here. Click on Next. Select Work or School account. Then, it will ask for your school or work password. Simply provide the password, and Teams will set up a separate workspace for your school or work in Microsoft Teams. I have already set up work account, so it is not asking me my password. So I am successfully logged in to my work or school account. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.